Installing Claude Desktop on Windows allows you to access Claude AI directly from your computer without using a browser. This tutorial outlines the steps to download, install, and set up the application. Step 1. Download the installer. Open your browser and go to the official Claude download page. You can search for Claude AI Download or navigate directly to claude.com/download. Select Download for Windows and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Confirm you are downloading from the official source before proceeding. Step 2. Run the installer. Once the download completes, double-click the installer file. If Windows shows a permission prompt, select Yes or Run to continue. The installer will begin setting up Claude automatically. Wait while files are downloaded and installed on your computer. Step 3. Launch and sign in. After installation completes, launch Claude from the Start menu. Click Get Started to begin. When the sign-in screen appears, choose your preferred login method and enter your account details. Allow the app a moment to sync conversations and load your workspace. Step 4. Configure settings. Click your name in the bottom left corner of the screen and select Settings. Adjust any preferences such as notifications, keyboard shortcuts, or desktop options. If extensions are available, you can browse and connect supported tools from the Extensions section. Step 5. Test the setup. Open a new chat and send a short message to confirm the installation is working. Responses should appear directly inside the desktop window. Troubleshooting: if the installer does not run correctly, you can download the Windows package from the official deployment page and run the installation again. Conclusion: installing Claude Desktop on Windows involves downloading the installer from the official site, running the setup, signing in, and adjusting settings. Once installed, the app opens directly from your desktop and keeps conversations available in one place.